Hey guys, Justin here, bring you another foundation repair tip of the day. Did you know that contrary to popular belief, some contractors provide their clients with full access to their projects and not just try and hide everything from them? Here at Dalinghaus Construction, we like to give our clients complete access to their projects by giving them their very own login information to their own owner site. This owner site is basically a back end to our project management software system and gives them access to some pretty cool stuff. I mean, ultimately, it gives them access to everything that our office has access to. So they can view things like daily updates on their permits or engineering timelines. They can view daily logs from our crew members and see photos that they're taking on a daily basis. They can view old invoices, view future invoices, and even make payments on current invoices right through that owner site. So find yourself a contractor that is going to keep you in the loop on everything and not try and hide information from you. And that's your tip of the day.